Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here. I'm just at home, just got all the equipment. I believe I have the right setup to do POV test drive videos here. The phone's a little shaking because I left my stuff at the dealership, but I just want to kind of do a little bit of practice. I want you guys' input too as well. What do you like to see in these videos? Stuff like that. If you have any advice with the GoPros too as well, I never used one, but right now I'm doing it off the phone. Let's go play with the GoPro now and see how everything looks and give me some tips, okay guys?
All right, so I believe everything is recorded right now, guys. I got the GoPro on. I don't have a mic yet. I'm still kind of looking for them. So if you guys have advice for a mic or anything, drop it down below in the comments. Help me out, guys. So the whole point of this, I'm trying to do right now, I want to share with you guys, keep you guys updated. What's going on is that I'm trying to get the field of the vision of going here. I want you guys to see what's going on outside. I kind of do a little test play right now, see how the light comes in as it hits the dash. Can I see in the car? Can I see outside of the car? Stuff like that, okay? Just trying to get you the most realistic to point of view test drive as possible. So right now, I'm in my own accord at home here, okay? So let me buckle up here. Kind of excited because I don't know how this is going to look. I can't see what I'm recording. Got the vehicle in drive. Sorry for the mess, guys. It's my car. I'm a pretty messy guy apparently, but let's get out here. I'm gonna drive around the block. So just kind of testing out a little bit of the sound right now. That's why I'm kind of talking. I'm gonna turn the fan all the way up, just kind of get an idea how loud this stuff is going to be, how sensitive it's going to be for the GoPro. I can see clear as day right now. I don't have anything blocking my vision, so that's kind of nice. I'm pretty happy with the setup I went with, only if it turned out pretty well here on the visual as well for the video. Kind of do a quick nice little look around. Maybe I could play around with the radio a little bit, show how easy it's going to hit controls. Probably give you guys a little visual on the safety features. When I take this stuff out, my car is just too old, it doesn't have it. But you know, in the newer cars, when I get to the dealership, things like that. Just once again, comments down below, help me out, guys. I'm doing this because a lot of people have requested this, so I'm jumping out of my comfortable zone to help share much information as possible with you guys. So with this, I'm 100% relying on you guys' input from here, okay? Oh, there goes the neighbor. Come right in. All right. There we go. Just whole point once again is just to get the visuals, see if I can get the steering wheel, the outside, testing out the GoPro, a little bit of the controls, stuff like that. If this was a success, I'll post it up there on the YouTube so you guys can see where I'm at, and then I look forward to hear from you guys' feedback. All right, thanks again, guys. Talk to you later.